Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the animator window and animation window visible, then attach an animator component to your character. Create an animator controller asset and assign it immediately so states have a home. Once done, import or record your animation clips and drag them into the animator graph to create states. You need those states to drive transitions. Make sure parameters you'll use are added now so the next steps can reference them directly without backtracking. You now wire states together. Add parameters that represent input and conditions, like a trigger for attack or a float for speed. Create transitions between states by right-clicking and choosing Make Transition, then set a sensible transition duration to avoid pops. Use the Conditions section to tie those transitions to parameters so your code can flip a bool or fire a trigger. Also enable has exit time only where you want natural endings. Otherwise, transitions respond immediately. You finish by testing in play mode and using the animator preview to inspect active states and transitions. Refine blend trees and thresholds to smooth unwanted snaps, and tune transition durations and exit times for realistic motion. If animations don't play, make sure your script updates the exact parameter names and types, and verify the animator controller is assigned to the object. One key troubleshooting tip: if a state never activates, enable debug logging for parameter values, and watch the animator window to trace why transitions aren't firing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.